Want to conquer the credit game? Get the lowdown on the difference between hard and soft inquiries and how they impact your personal credit improvement. Hard inquiries happen when a lender takes a peek at your credit report for loan or credit card applications. They can chip away at your credit score slightly and stick around on your report for 2 years. If you have several hard inquiries in a short time, lenders might see you as a risky bet, affecting your chances of securing favorable credit terms. Meanwhile, soft inquiries come into play when you or a company scrutinizes your credit for non-lending purposes like pre-approved credit offers, employment background checks, or your own credit monitoring. The best part, soft inquiries don't impact your credit score and lenders can't see them when reviewing your credit report. Mastering these differences is critical for effective credit management. Minimize hard inquiries by applying for credit sparingly and keep an eye on your credit with soft inquiries to chart your progress. Ready to supercharge your credit score? Take charge of your financial journey with the right choices about inquiries and credit management overall. You'll love the financial freedom it brings. Upgrade your credit game today, and your future self will be filled with gratitude.